Under proviso to sub-rule 2 of Rule 340, I request that the following members may be suspended from the service of the House for today. Sri Balanjanaya Swami, Dola, Nimmala Ramanayudu, Sri Y. Sambashivarao, Srimati A. Bhavani, V. Jogeshwar Rao, Gadde Rammohan Rao, Sri V. Ramakrishna Babu, Sri A. Satyaprasad, Sri K. Achan Naidu, Sri N. Chandrababu Naidu, Sri N. Ramaraju, Sri P. Keshav, Sri B. Ashok.
Motion moved. Those who are for the motion, please say yeah. Those who are against, please say no. Ayes have it, ayes have it. The motion is carried and the following members are suspended from the service of the House today, November 2020. Sri Ashok Bandalam, Sri Achinayudu Kinjarapu, Srimati Bhavani Adireddy, Sri Chandrababu Naidu Nara, Sri Jogeshwar Rao, V. Jogeshwar Rao, Sri Keshav Payyavula, Sri Rammohan Gadde, Sri Ramakrishna Babu Velagapudi, Sri Ramanayudu Nimmala, Sri Ramaraju Manthena, Sri Sambashivarao Eluri, Sri Satyaprasad Anagani, Sri Bala Veeranjanaya Swami Dola. All these members ఈ సెషన్ కు అదే ఈ రోజుకి సస్పెండ్ చేస్తున్నాం రైట్.